I'm Deanna Montoya. I'm an Enrollment Services Associate. Welcome to Carrington College, Portland. Here we are in the lobby of our campus, our front desk area. If you ever need a badge, if you need a tour, or just to meet with faculty and staff, sign in, meet with the front desk. They can help wherever you need. Here we have our Student Success Center. We have 3 computer labs for students to be able to study. We've got printer books that they can loan and utilize while they're here on campus. And this is also just a quiet environment for students to be able to succeed, as well as be able to have faculty and staff readily available. Here we have our dental assisting classroom and lab. We've got 4 full working chairs. They can do coronal polishing, make molds, basically do everything needed to prepare you for the workplace as a dental assistant. Fun fact, they can bring in a family or friend for their final term to polish their teeth. And here we have our Veterinary Assisting lab. Lecture completed over here, and then students will jump into the lab where they're learning artificial blood centrifuge, being able to administer insulin to animals, as well as bandage them correctly, different ways of how to do animal nursing, surgical procedures. Here we have our medical assisting classroom and lab. It is set up as if you're walking into a clinic. We've got an area for our students to learn and facilitate blood draws, injections, learn about EKG and urinalysis, as well as participate in role play and lobbying and rooming patients. Here is our science lab. This is going to be for our nursing students going for their associate degree of nursing to become a registered nurse. We know there's a need for healthcare workers out there, and this is going to help you get there, utilizing microbiology, chemistry, all these cool tools and everything that's associated with it. Here we are in our nursing sim bay. We've got our sim man here. He is the most advanced mannequin that we do have for our nursing students. He is able to recognize a medicine that has been scanned and react how he should or shouldn't. Our students will be able to conduct an assessment, and then our instructors will take them into our consultation room to go over what they did. Here we have our nursing skills lab. You get to work with our Laerdal mannequins to simulate real life instances of common causes, as well as sicknesses, diseases, but to prepare our students for the healthcare field out there in the world. They're gonna be able to utilize the skills lab here, doing their hands-on, and then doing their assessments, while the instructors are gonna be able to utilize and trigger whatever needs to be triggered from our Laerdals.